Saving money while traveling can be challenging. But here are some tips on how to save money while traveling which help you reduce your expenses and stretch your budget. Travel during the off-season. Traveling during the off-season can help you save money on flights, accommodations, and activities. Popular tourist destinations are often cheaper during the off-season, and you can avoid the crowds too. Use travel rewards and loyalty programs. Sign up for travel rewards programs and loyalty programs offered by airlines, hotels, and car rental companies. This can earn you points and perks that can be used for future trips. Stay in budget accommodations. Consider staying in budget accommodations like hostels, guest houses, or rentals. These options can be cheaper than traditional hotels, and you can save money on food by cooking your meals. Be flexible with your travel dates. Being flexible with your travel dates can help you find cheaper flights and accommodations. Check different dates and times to find the best deals. Book in advance. Booking your flights, accommodations, and activities in advance can help you save money. Last-minute bookings can be expensive, especially during peak travel periods. Use public transportation. Using public transportation can be cheaper than renting a car or taking taxis. You can save money by buying day passes or multi-day tickets. Eat like a local. Eating at local restaurants or street vendors can be cheaper than eating at touristy restaurants. Try local specialties and you'll have a more authentic travel experience too. Avoid tourist traps. Avoid tourist traps like overpriced souvenirs or attractions and look for free or cheaper alternatives. For example, explore local parks or museums, go hiking or biking, or attend free cultural events. By following these tips, you can save money while traveling and enjoy your trip without spending more money. Do not forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, My Travel Scoop. Happy traveling!